Here at Lloyd Select Kelso, we are pleased to present this Lexus Nx 300h 2.5 litre CVT, finished in pearlescent white exterior paint, with 18-inch dark grey alloy wheels. Some of the standout features on this car include automatic headlights, front fog lights, power folding heated door mirrors, keyless entry, privacy glass, fixed panoramic roof, and on the tailgate we have the rear camera. As we enter now beneath the tailgate, we can see the rubber load space mat and the parcel shelf. Entering into the rear of the cabin now, we can see the panoramic roof from the inside, and we have the black Tahara leather seats, which come fitted with ISOFIX child seat mounts, and on the centre console we can see the rear climate vents. Entering into the front of the cabin now, we can see the electric heated front seats, and as we turn now to the multifunction steering wheel, we have the cruise control stalk on the steering column, gear shift paddles, digital gauge cluster display, and the hands-free mobile controls. On the centre display we can see the satellite navigation, as well as the rear camera display, and on the centre console we can see the 2-zone climate control with the heated seat buttons, and further down we have the gear selector and the infotainment touchpad. For more information on this vehicle, please get in touch with our sales team on the contact details provided.